Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to reveal the 4 incredible seeds that can help you shed those stubborn belly fat naturally and achieve your dream body. Number 1. Pumpkin seeds. Wait, want to burn belly fat naturally? See correct video link in the description below. Let's go! Pumpkin seeds could make for a healthy and filling mid-meal snack. They are densely packed with protein and fiber, both of which help keep you satiated for long and keep cravings at bay. Pumpkin seeds are also a good source of zinc, which helps rev up metabolism naturally. Raw, dry roasted, or soaked, pumpkin seeds can be consumed in many ways. Number 2. Flax seeds. According to the book, Healing Foods by DK Publishing House, flax seeds are a great source of soluble mucilaginous enzymes like fiber that can lower unhealthy LDL cholesterol in the blood, balance blood sugar level, and act as hunger suppressant. Moreover, flax seeds are also considered to be one of the best plant-based sources of protein. Proteins help increase levels of appetite-reducing hormones and reduce levels of hunger hormone ghrelin. Number 3. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are also an excellent source of protein and pack a good balance of essential amino acids. Vegetarians who are on a constant quest for protein-rich foods can include these seeds in their weight loss diet. Since chia seeds are warm in nature, it is not advisable to take more than 2 tablespoons of chia seeds every day. You can sprinkle them on salads, soups, smoothies, or add them to your homemade granola or muesli. Number 4. Sunflower seeds. These mildly nutty seeds are packed with polyunsaturated fats or good fats. They are also a good addition to a weight loss diet. Filled with protein, fiber, and essential minerals like vitamin E, folate, and copper, these seeds can make for a healthy bet for sustainable weight loss. These seeds are covered in hard shell, which needs to be cracked open. You can include these seeds in salads, smoothies, or cereals. Are you ready to burn belly fat naturally? Watch the secret video link in the video description. The link will be deleted in few dias and never up in this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel,